Stop using AI as a fancy search engine. Most people are still stuck in the prompting phase. But the top 1% of professionals, they aren't just prompting, they're automating. While everyone else is chasing the latest viral prompt, the real winners are building autonomous systems that work while they sleep. We've spent the last year stress testing every game-changing tool that hit the market in 2026. From Claude's latest reasoning models to AI agents that actually handle end-to-end lead gen. We've cut through the hype to find what actually drives ROI. Today, we're moving past the basic tutorials. I'm giving you the exact framework to integrate AI into your business. Not as a toy, but as a digital workforce. By the end of this video, you'll have a curated stack of the best AI tools for 2026 and the automation logic to reclaim at least 20 hours of your work week. Let's get to work.
Let's be honest, you've seen the headlines. Every single day, there's a new game-changing AI tool. It's exhausting. You probably have 10 different tabs open right now, a subscription to chatbots, maybe Claude, and a few productivity apps you sign up for but never actually used. But here's the real problem. Despite all these tools, you're still doing the groundwork. You're still manually moving data between spreadsheets. You're still spending hours drafting emails that feel robotic. You're still stuck in a manual loop. The gap is widening. While you're trying to figure out which prompt to use, your competitors are building autonomous systems. They aren't just using AI, they've automated their entire lab general. They're onboarding and they're reporting. They're working 4 hours a day while you're working 12 just to keep your head above water. The AI hype phase is over. We're now in the AI implementation phase. If you don't move from trying tools to building systems, you aren't just falling behind, you're becoming obsolete. It's not about the tools anymore, it's about the workflow, and that's exactly why most professionals are failing right now. They have the hammer, but they don't have the blueprint. Stop chasing every new tool that trends on X. You don't need 50 subscriptions, you need an AI stack.
A cohesive system where your tools actually talk to each other. That is the difference between playing with AI and actually scaling a business. Let's break down the 2026 power stack. First, the brain. In 2026, we've moved past simple prompting. We are in the era of agentic AI. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot anymore. It's an operator. It handles complex reasoning and executes multi-step workflows across your apps. But for deep work, you still need Claude. Claude remains the gold standard for nuance, massive context windows, and coding. Use ChatGPT for execution. Use Claude for strategy and analysis. Now, a brain is useless without a nervous system. This is where automation comes in. Stop manual data entry. It's a waste of your cognitive load. Tools like Make.com and Zapier are the glue. Imagine this. A lead hits your landing page. AI qualifies them based on your ideal customer profile. It generates a personalized video pitch. And it books the meeting on your calendar. All while you're asleep. That is true leverage. For those of you running small businesses, the goal is lean growth. You no longer need a 10-person marketing team. You need one skilled operator and a fleet of specialized AI agents. Use Perplexity for real-time market intelligence. It kills the traditional Google search. For visuals, move beyond static images. Runway and Midjourney now handle your high-end creative production, cutting agency costs by 90%. The secret to making this work? Integration. Don't use these tools in silos. Build a loop. Feed your customer data into the LLM. Automate the output via Make. And monitor the results in a real-time dashboard. You aren't just adding tools. You are building a digital employee that never sleeps, never complains, and scales infinitely.